Hi, welcome to Tech Grab channel. I'm Glory and in today's video we're going to be making some Christmas pins and back cards using photo glossy paper from Tech Grab and printable translucent shrink sheets. With anything else to say, let's get started. I'm here on Silo Studio and now I'm going to add the designs that I'm going to use for my Christmas pins. Now let's add an offset to each one of them. I will select them all and size it up a little bit and arrange it to the center of my page. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to send to print. Here I have my shrink sheet already with the designs that I'm going to use for my Christmas pins, and now I'm going to send to cut. For my cut settings, I'm going to use 34/4, 6 on speed, and 2 passes. Now that I already print my designs, I'm going to take them out from the cutting mat. You have to be very careful so you don't get the tension. Now that I already have all my designs out of the shrink sheet, I'm going to take my heat gun. Now that I'm done applying the heat to my pins, look how beautiful the result. I'm going to add the back of the pin. Now that I have my pins ready, I'm going to make a back card for all of them. I'm here on Silo Studio and I'm going to add a rectangle with round corners. Now I'm going to search for a Christmas background that is cute and I'm going to place it on top of my rectangle. Now for the final touch to my back card, I'm going to add some text and I'm going to put Christmas pins. I'm going to search for a Christmas font and I'm going to select that one. And now I'm going to send to print and cut. Here I have the back cards of my pins. Now I'm going to send to cut. Here I have my back cards. I'm going to take them out from the cutting mat. And now I'm going to place my pins. And here are the results of our Christmas pins and the back cards using shrink sheet and photo paper glossy from TechDot. They look amazing and I love the details and the colors. If you liked today's project, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!